Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to remove background on CapCut. And this is quite simple. So first of all, go to the project where you want to delete the background from. From here, click on the clip where you want to delete the background from. Then search for the option remove background, just right here. Click on that. And then from here, click on custom removal. Now, right now, we want to select the piece that we want to keep in this video. So I want to select my own teacup, then something like this. And then, oh, sorry, not this. So we do go back, then this, then this. And right now, when we do the accept icon right here on our screen and do continue, you can see that we just removed the background. And right now, if we play this, you can see that we just deleted the background from here. Now, if you have a better picture with maybe a smoother background, then the background remover is better, but this is exactly how this works. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.